I'm gonna show you how to add or install plugins in your Obsidian. So to get started, you have to open your Obsidian first, and then from there you have to go to the left bottom corner, which is go to your settings located around here. And then once you click that, a pop-up will show up. And then from here, all you have to do is just click on community plugins and then click on the browse. As you can see here, you can search or current, but you can see that we need to add, so we just click on browse right here. And then from there, you just have to search the plugin that you wanted to add on your Obsidian node. So from there, when you selected a plugin, you just have to click or select the plugin that you want. And then once you click or select a plugin, you will just have to install it in your Obsidian nodes. So from here, I'm just gonna click on any example right here. So I'm just gonna go click this one, and then as you can see here, you can just click on install if you wanted to install the plugin. So if you want to uninstall, just click on uninstall. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add or install plugins in your Obsidian.